Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do a blended ombre with 3 colors, red, white, and blue, and then also 3 different ways to outline this heart. I'm starting out by lining out the heart with a chalk pencil on a rock that's already base coated black. Next, I'm going to take some Liquitex gesso and base coat that heart, and I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. I want to make sure that the red, white, and blue have a really good base to have bright, vibrant colors, and then it's also going to give us kind of a guide of where our heart will go. The next step is to create stripes with the 3 colors. Now you're going to see why I chose to do the gesso, so you can see that the red is nice and vibrant on the white and then it doesn't quite show up so good over the black. So that's exactly what I want. I want to create these stripes and just keep coming back and forth with the different colors. You do want to make sure that this kind of dries in between, and then when you're creating the ombre look, you let the 2 colors be slightly wet in between, so the red and the white, and then you have your paintbrush have a little bit of water on it. So kind of dip it in water and then dab it off on a paintbrush and then run that paintbrush over the line where the 2 colors meet, and it kind of blends them into this perfect little ombre. This is a process, so don't be afraid to keep coming back. You're going to see that I make mistakes and blue or red gets in the white, but you just paint over it and move on. So just keep going back and forth with this. If you want to make sure the colors are nice and bright, you want to make sure that the red and the blue and the white all dry in between some of the coats. So usually what I'll do is do some stripes without worrying about the blending and then come back and do the blending towards the end. Again, don't be afraid if you do this and you get blue on your white. Take the white, go over it, and you'll cover it right back up. Now is where that base coat of the gesso is going to come in handy again, because we're going to come back with black paint and outline the heart and get rid of any of the overreach from our stripes. So I'm creating that heart outline by following the gesso, and then I'm going to take a larger paintbrush and cover the rest of the overshot of the red, white, and blue with black paint so that only the heart remains. Now that I've got several hearts, I'm going to do some different borders. I'm going to start out with 2 very simple ones, just red glitter and blue glitter, and just giving a solid outline with a dotting tool. I like using the dotting tool because you can get the glitter paint on nice and thick, and then it gives a good shine and picks up the light once you get resin on them. Another really fun thing you can do is take the corresponding glitter paint to the colors and just add a dotted border around. So I'm taking red, white, and blue glitter. I use silver glitter for the white, and just make a dotted border. For the final and largest stone, I'm going to take this hologram glitter paint, which is kind of a sheer iridescent paint that gives a really nice dimension, and just brush it all over the inside of the heart, so the red, white, and blue colors. And then I'm going to take a larger dotting tool and add white dots very close together all around the border of the heart. This is going to be the beginning phase of creating a lace border for this heart, and it turns out really cute. This is a really easy way to do it. So after I've got all those dots, I'm going to take a disposable eyeliner brush, because it's very fine, and just smooth out the lines on the inside of the heart so that it's a solid line. You don't see that scallop anymore. Then I'm going to take a dotting tool and black paint and put black dots right in the center of those white dots, and you can see the lace border taking form. This is a really easy and uniform way to create this, and it's super adorable. Feel free to share this video if you think your friends or local rock group would enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time.